Hello, this is the intro. This channel will be focused on level 2. It will be explaining chart patterns to some degree, but if you do not need that, you can always skip to the point where I am watching the level 2. I do copy my trading style off of Warrior Trading. It works. So, hey guys, this is a whole and a half dollar breakout on FTCI this morning. The only other trade that I took today was on YMTX, and it didn't make any resolution at all. I mean, it just went sideways for a very long time before having a big sell-off. So, took one trade on it and didn't do anything. So, into the open, I was watching FTCI and a few other stocks, but this is the one that looked pretty interesting to me. We had this clear resistance level here at $5. And I felt like if it could break five, we might get that whole and a half dollar set up and continue higher. Sorry about this 5 minute chart. I don't think I zoom in on it, so hopefully I do, but it's pretty stretched. Just know is light on volume, dojis everywhere in that 5 minute chart. But I felt like if we could break on over this $5 level, we could get a nice little squeeze just for 10, 15 cents. And um, like at least I felt like, and I end up finding a target here at where are we at? I think it ends up being here. So I think wherever this red candle ends is my target right now. Going into this trade on this half-dollar breakout. So let's click play. Meet this. So into the open. I'll skip forward a little bit. They pull back to VWAP, but I'm not taking a trade like this in a stock with such a light volume. And then we go green here. So let's watch. Wait for the break over 5. So it broke to 501 there. That's a bearish sign. We have a spinning top of a candle. A little bearish right now, but if we can break over 5 and hold, I feel like we might be able to squeeze some shorts. So here we go. Green, lots of green there in the tape. Here's 505, 509. It was still snapping up. Can we get a pullback? Here's where it's slowing down. 509 becomes trigger point. Bid increases, but we're not seeing green on the tape. Wait for it. And oh wait, so I should be clicking buy right there, and I do. So I click buy there at 508. Uh, Looking for just bid and ask to come together, green on the tape to come at the right time. So I'll replay that. Let's show you what the strength looks like. So we break over 5, and at 505, or I mean, break over 5, it pops up to 505, but it then continues this move up and snaps up to 509. And then here it finally slows down, get a bit of red on the tape, sellers start coming in. We're going to start seeing this pullback. So we start to attempt this pullback. Bid is increasing, seeing green on the tape, but I don't feel like we've gotten that proper pullback yet. So I'm watching there. There we go. We're actually dropping in the bid and we're getting that clean pullback. So we're pulling back 504. And then if you can already see, we're getting green on the tape. 504 is holding pretty strong, and then 508 was starting to dissipate. So I felt like that was enough of a signal. If we can break over 508, we can continue that ride over 509 and squeeze through the high, and then look for this profit target up here at the on the daily chart, whatever the high of this red candle is. So I'm in a 508 and it stutters, and I get a little worried because it's a light value move. But then we get the resolution here shortly. More green on the tape, looking strong. And this is the important part. How do you scale out when the move doesn't go the way you want it to? So we're up to 518. Nice solid bids coming in. Look at all these bids. That was a beautiful example of bids coming in with a lot of strength there. And so at this point, I'm thinking, nice, we might get that light volume potential halt into the upside, or at least where I can lock up this profit before 550 and then see if it continues. So we get up to 22 and then watch this red. A little bit of red there and then gone. Okay, so now adjustment. You know, if you look at this 1 minute chart, this is how this works. So we break over Um, we break over 5. I don't need to zoom in, but we break over 5 and we push all the way up to 22. If this, like, after we like consolidate on top of 5 and then break away, after it breaks away, you know the support point is going to be back down towards that $5 level. So in this situation, what we saw is it popped up to 522 and then the bids got wiped out and it's right back down to the support at 5. So now you've seen a clear sign of weakness where it didn't look like it was going to continue. It got huge sellers coming in, push this down. So now that we've gotten that pullback, we just scale out into the move back up. So now as it bounces back off 5, I'm clicking sell right there at 516, letting it work, and I get filled. Now let's see, does this make sense? Let's see, how does the chart look? The high of that candle was 516, and then it consolidates for a while. So at this point, it was clear the volume wasn't going to send this move through to a halt level or anything like that. So you can just dump it. It was a good attempt, good trade. Still an 8-cent winner. It's really sad that I can't take margin on this stock. I keep running into that situation where I just don't have the option to take a trade with margin. It's really annoying to me, but hopefully that'll end shortly. All right, hope you enjoyed the video.